Hello friends, in this video we intend to compare two popular brokers in the world of binary options trading, namely Quotex and Binomo. If you are looking to choose the best platform to start or continue your trading, stay with us until the end of this video. If we want to give a general introduction about the Quotex broker, it is an innovative platform for binary options trading that was launched in 2020 and is known for its simple user interface and high-speed transactions. As for the Binomo broker, it is a modern trading platform that has been operating since 2014 and is recognized as a Category A member of the International Financial Commission, IFC. It has also received the Verify My Trade certification in terms of regulation and credibility, which ensures the quality of transactions. Regarding the well-known Quotex broker, this broker operates under the supervision of the internationally recognized IFMRRC, which is an independent regulatory body. The deposit and withdrawal methods in the Quotex broker include various options such as bank cards, electronic wallets, and cryptocurrencies, which are supported by this broker. As you can see, there are various deposit and withdrawal methods available in the Quotex broker, with a minimum deposit and withdrawal amount of $10. And withdrawals are usually processed in less than 24 hours. Regarding the Binomo broker, it supports deposits and withdrawals through various methods such as bank cards, electronic wallets, cryptocurrencies, and other local methods. The minimum deposit and withdrawal amount in the Binomo broker ranges from $20 to $10,000. And the processing time for withdrawals varies depending on the chosen method. Regarding the demo account of the Binomo broker, as you can see, a demo account is provided with a virtual balance of $10,000. Additionally, in this broker, free training and educational videos are available for users through the education option. However, in the Quotex broker, a demo account with a virtual balance of $10,000 is provided for users to practice. By switching, you can engage in and practice your trades in the demo environment. As you can see, the user interface and user experience in the Quotex broker are very simple and minimalist, which is suitable for beginners. However, in the Binomo broker, you will notice a more professional user interface, and this broker provides users with more analytical features. In summary, if you are looking for a trading platform with more analytical features and comprehensive training, the Binomo broker might be a better choice for you. And if you are looking for a simple and fast platform to start binary options trading, Quotex is a suitable option. I hope this comparison has helped you in choosing the right broker. If you have any questions or comments, share them with us in the comments section. Good luck!